How to use the quiz sticker on Instagram story. First thing first, simply open up your Instagram app and just make sure that you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged in, you're just going to have to access your story section. To do that, just swipe right on your screen to access story. Now here I have selected a create option. So I'm just going to have to choose a background here without having to take a picture. So I like this color, so I'm just going to choose this plain background for now. And then once you have created your story, you could add pictures if you want, or you could directly add the sticker. To access stickers, swipe up on your screen like this, or you could tap on the stickers icon up top. And here you have different options like a poll, add yours, frames, reveal, questions, and many more. You are just going to have to tap on the option. As you can see here, the quiz option is not available right away. So what you're going to have to do is go to your reel section first. And once you get to the reel section, you can tap on the audio icon at the bottom right to use the audio. So tap on use audio. Now simply record a short clip. Now once you've recorded a short clip, you could tap on next. And here on this page, you can pop up your sticker. And here you get the quiz option. Tap on quiz and you could add your quiz question. So let's say place and let's say guess the place. You could add your option 1 as something, option 2, option 3, and many more option. And you could choose a right option. You could add up to 4 options. Just select the right option here, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply post it out. And that's pretty much it. You could select any option as the correct answer by tapping on the ABCD, and you'll be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.